Everyone, my name is Kanupriya Bhargav and I am currently working as legal intern with Lexis and Company for the month of July. And today we will talk about what is consideration under Indian Contract Act. So, do you know what is consideration? Let me tell you. Consideration is defined under section 2D of Indian Contract Act 1872. What section 2D say? Let us see. Section 2D states that when at the desire of the promisor, the promisee or any other person does or abstain from doing any act, does or abstains from doing or promises to do or abstain from doing something or such an act or abstinence or promise is called a consideration for the promise. Any act that is done or will be done at the desire of the promisor, act that is not done or will not be done at the desire of the promisor is known as consideration, and this is a sufficient consideration for a contract to be formed, and this could be a plausible explanation of this definition above which I stated you under section 2D of Indian Contract Act. What consideration? Let me tell on a simple term. Consideration works on the Latin phrase quid pro quo, which means something in return of something, or a favor return on a favor done or will be done. There are certain exceptions of consideration. Section 25 of the Indian Contract Act clearly states that an agreement made without consideration is void. There are certain exceptions, but an agreement without consideration is null and invalid and cannot be converted into a contract. Desire of the promisor. Section 2D of the Indian Contract 1872 clearly states that anything done or to be done or any abstain from doing that is not done at the promiser's desire shall not be considered as the promises made. Let us see the case of Durga Prasad versus Baldev. In this case, Durga Prasad versus Baldev, Durga Prasad constructed some shop in a market on the direction of the collector. The retailers that occupied these locations to give Durga Prasad a percentage of their sales as a commission. When Durga Prasad did not get the commission, he sued the shops. The commitment was not backed by any consideration according to the court because the stores were constructed on the collector's command rather than the retailer's request. As a result, there was no compensation because of the following conduct was not performed at the promiser's request. He was entitled not to get compensation. And let us see another case of Kedarnath Bhattacharya versus Gauri Muhammad. In this case, it was thought that Howrah could be built if enough people signed up for subscription. Howrah commissioners were able to raise required cash through public contribution. Plaintiff entered into a contract with the contractor to build it in this faith. The defendant, on the other hand, claimed that there was no consideration and refused to pay the sum. The court decided that there existed desire on the side of the promisor, and therefore the defendant was held liable in this case. An agreement without consideration is just a promise. So, what is the conclusion of this consideration? Consideration can be defined as something done or will be done by the person at the promisor, or something not done or will not be done at the desire of the promisor is defined as consideration under section 2D of the Indian Contract Act 1872. This can be sufficient for the consideration to form a promise. An agreement is void if there is no consideration in it, and this is clearly stated under section 25 of Indian Contract Act 1872. Yet there are certain exceptions where an agreement is valid without consideration, but for a consideration to be valid, desire of the promisor is necessary and it will constitute a sufficient consideration for the promise. Let us see once again the definition of section 2D in Indian Contract Act. What it states, it says that when at the desire of the promiser, the promisee or any other person has done or abstained from doing or does or abstains from doing something, such act or abstinence or promise is called a consideration for the promise. So I conclude here. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you think my video is useful in any way to you, then do please like, share, comment, and please subscribe the channel and comment down your queries below. Thank you.